Hi, and welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video, you've probably thought about your floor mats. You might have even thought about your seats. But when was the last time you thought about the back of your vehicle? Your cargo and your trunk area specifically. We get it. It's easy to overlook. It's behind you. It's out of sight, out of mind. But that cargo area takes a beating every single day. And most people don't realize how vulnerable it really is. If you spill coffee in your footwell, you're gonna see that immediately. But when a grocery bag tips over in the back, maybe a can of paint is leaking, or the dog is shaking off after a muddy walk, you might not discover that mess until days later. And by the time you do, the damage is already done. The stains are setting in, odors develop, your carpet becomes ruined, and no amount of scrubbing is gonna help. Now, if your vehicle comes with a mat from the dealership, those mats are typically thin, generic, and don't provide the coverage that you need. They rarely reach into corners and wings and the nooks and crannies of your cargo area. They can shift, bunch up, and they're just not built for real life. So what should you do? Let's talk about what we offer for the cargo area, because we have a solution for just about every single vehicle, every lifestyle, and every level of protection that you're gonna need. Our bestseller is the Cargo Liner. And if you love our floor liners, you're really gonna love having the same quality and protection extended to your trunk area. Cargo Liner is laser measured for a guaranteed fit to your exact year, make, and model. Whether you drive a sedan, an SUV, or a van, we have something for you. This liner features a raised outer lip to keep spills and liquids fully contained. And it's made from a waterproof rubber-like material that stays flexible whether it's -10 in January or 95 in July. Best of all, these liners remove and clean up easily, and they're proudly designed, engineered, and manufactured right here in the USA. Now, if you need to lift heavy items in and out, such as luggage, a stroller, or a wheelchair, there's a good chance that you're dragging those items across your rear bumper every time, which can create scuffs and scratches on a highly visible area that can be very expensive to fix. And that's where the optional bumper protector comes in. It's also a great option for big hauling times, like moving or taking a kid back and forth to college. Custom snaps are built directly into the liner during manufacturing, which is why you need to order it at the same time as your cargo liner. Bumper protector snaps on securely, stays put while you load and unload, and snaps off when you don't need it. It rolls up neatly and is held in place with a strap for easy storage. Now, for select vehicles, we offer the Seatback Cargo Liner HP, and this one takes protection to the next level. Without this protection, the moment you fold your seats down, the back of the seats are exposed. Think hard to remove pet hair, messy bike wheels, and sports gear. All that ends up on your seat backs, and it's ground into your carpet. Seatback Cargo Liner HP solves it all with a heavy-duty one-piece mat that covers both the cargo floor and the back of the seats simultaneously. Like our floor liner, it features non-slip nibs and hook fasteners on the underside to keep it in place. The key is the patent-pending expandable accordion hinge. When you fold your seats down, the liner expands with them and maintains full uninterrupted coverage. While competitors offer solutions that come in many pieces, sometimes as many as 5, Seatback Cargo Liner HP comes in one piece that's easy to install and remove. A trimmable outline is built in to accommodate attachments for child car seats known as ISOFIX, while the cargo mat stays in place. Whatever you're transporting or whatever your lifestyle, we have something designed for you. Head to WeatherTech.com to find your upgrades today.